Welcome to this video tutorial where we will walk you through the process of enhancing your indicator with data disaggregation. Disaggregation is a powerful tool that allows you to capture more detailed and granular data for your indicators. In this tutorial, we'll use the number of children vaccinated against measles indicator to demonstrate how disaggregation can help you understand which age groups or demographics benefit the most from your vaccination project. To begin, let's add the age group and gender disaggregation groups to our indicator while keeping the default properties. You'll have the flexibility to determine the order in which these disaggregation groups should be presented and indicate whether disaggregation items should appear in the rows and columns of the indicator performance tracking table or not. Another valuable feature is the ability to define filtering options for the IPTT. You can choose not to enable any filtering, enable filtering, but allow selecting one filtering category or allow selecting multiple categories. In the next step, we'll need to apply the selected disaggregation to our target and actual data points to enable data collection. Once this task is completed, let's preview our IPTT to ensure that it meets our data collection needs. To fine-tune the table structure and adapt it to our data collection requirements, we can edit the gender disaggregation group and display the gender items in the table columns. Additionally, we can refine the age group disaggregation and exclude irrelevant items. Since our indicator is associated with children, we can opt to collect data for specific age groups like newborns, infants, children, and adolescents, while excluding adults and seniors. Let's now preview how the indicator performance tracking table is updated based on the changes we've made. And here is where the power of Indicata is truly demonstrated. Our IPTT is perfectly aligned with our requirements. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials and valuable tips on maximizing your use of Indicata.